Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening both workbooks and confirming auto calculation and Trust Center allow external links. This prevents broken references. Next, choose how to link: a direct cell reference for simple values, a named range for clarity, or a table for dynamic data. Once done, identify exact sheet names and ranges. You need the file path if linking closed files. Make sure to save both files before creating links, so Excel can resolve addresses and prevent #ref errors. Now build links that survive edits. Type equals source. XLSX sheet 1, A1 for a simple pull, but prefer index/match when columns move because it finds values by key rather than position. Convert source ranges to tables with Control+T or create named ranges. This lets new rows flow into the link automatically. If you need joins, use get and transform to merge tables and control refresh frequency. Once linked, save and test by changing a single source cell. Watch the destination update to confirm success. Finish by setting refresh behavior. Open queries and connections and choose background refresh or set workbook calculation to auto so updates propagate. If you must distribute a snapshot, use edit links to break links and paste values, otherwise keep live connections. Make sure to document source paths and naming conventions so others can reconnect. If a link breaks, use edit links to change source or re-establish the reference. This usually fixes #ref errors caused by moved files or renamed sheets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.